No, you're good. Stay right there. Stay close. Beautiful. Keep it going. So what I want you to do, I want you to try to break out of this orange, right?
So, okay.
Am I letting her go?
No, you can't. No, that's it. She's with you for the rest of your life, so you can't let her go. Make her work for it. Not too much. Perfect. Excellent. There you go. Good. Beautiful. Not yet. I'll tell you. All right, guys, go for it. Look at me, Priscilla. Good. Go a little faster here. Good. Pick her up here. Pick her up. Spin her around. Keep it going. Good. Beautiful. Perfect. Coming closer, guys, right there. Heads together, looking at me here. Beautiful. So you guys are doing great. You need very little direction. You guys are
Really?
You guys are really into each other, I can see, which is great. Perfect. Hold that there, guys. Keep that. Almost kissing, almost kissing. Beautiful. Wrap your arms around him again, Priscilla. Whichever way you want. There you go. Breathe through your mouth. There you go. Now we're done. Perfect. I'm gonna get up in your business again, so. Beautiful. Keep it going. Keep doing your thing. Okay, let's do one like the way you guys were doing before. And then